Hello, my name is Ibrahim Ersoy and welcome to my channel IberPoint. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a shuffled virtual keyboard in PowerApps. You may have seen this user interface control while using your mobile application or in the browser. So let's not keep you waiting and get started. But first, introductions. Hi, I will be explaining each code line by line in this video, but I won't be rewriting them because it's a simple process which you can just copy paste from my GitHub repository that is being sliding in this video, and I will also post it in my video details section on YouTube, so it will be easy to access to the entire code. So let's first start with our uh, application on start. On our application on start, we have a code here and it is creating a initial collection, which is setting the gallery items data source for start. It's 1 to 9 and 0 and delete and a check mark. And then we have a gallery control with a few buttons, and the data source is shuffled items, which is created at the uh, load of the application. And then we have some functionality in these codes, and I will explain them now. So basically, we have one switch case, and it has three conditions: one for delete, one for check mark, and one for other stuff. So I also mark them with a comment section here. It's very easy to understand for you. So first thing what we do is if the clicked item is this, then do that. If it's not, then do something else, something like that. Process going on in here. If it's delayed, I delete the last thing in the collection, and if it's check mark, I hide the virtual keyboard because it's done after that. And if it's neither delete or the check mark, I just collect them in another collection called selected values, and the selected values will be concatenated in the label control, which we will be discussing after that. And then we add also delete and check mark again to the collection because we are shuffling items here. So if you have a look at the shuffle this collection here, it makes the shuffling process. So each time you press a button, it will shuffle them. And what we do next is adding a label control, and it's in here. You may not see because I didn't click any of these buttons yet. What it does is it's concatenating the collection and splitting them with a big space, and then that's it. So maybe I can demonstrate it to you now with a wider screen. I will add one first, then 9, then 7, 5, 0, 3. You see they are all shuffling each time. and it's a very good process. But the delete and check mark are always in the same position because they are added each time the shuffle process is completed. And you can add as much as you like. And the delete function deletes all the items in this list. If I want to say that it is completed, then I just press check mark here and it will be disabled. This is how the process goes with the virtual keyboard that is shuffling items each time you press something. It's a very good process. And my final word is even if it's a very useful thing to do in a Power Apps application, uh, the new trends, topics can be somehow not making this a very useful thing, but it's a good thing to do, yeah, to implement in your application. And the last trend topic is for this secure input is the when you use your mobile application, they send you a code and you click on the screen and it's directly logs in, and this is what being used most of the time. But in some cases, some mobile banking applications that doesn't give you that option, so you need to click on the digits and it would then accept you in. So it's a good thing to implement in your application. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe, like or comment. I hope to see you in our next video.